On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Hey, it's me, Marie, and this is my typical day. During the week, I usually wake up at 7:30. If I don't, my mom wakes me up. I get up a few minutes later. I have coffee and cereal for breakfast. I sometimes go to school by bike. As you know, riding your bike to school is a great way to exercise. The school starts at 8:45. It's Monday. First, we have PE. We always play a new game. In the schoolyard, we play and run and we have lots of fun. In the art room, we make origami. We paint and draw and then we put our pictures on the wall. At our school, we have a computer room. In the computer room, the students can put their headphones on their ears and study math and English. I have lunch at school. I have a sandwich and an apple today. I finish school at 3:30 and I get home at 3:50 in the afternoon. I have a music lesson every Monday. After that, I help my mom in the kitchen. We have dinner at 7 o'clock. And then I do my homework at 7:45. We usually watch TV together. I sometimes take a shower, but I always brush my teeth. And finally, I go to bed at 10:30. Sleep tight. I'll see you in dreamland. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.